think we go sad. None no breaks, no care.
January people, me did done tell you know already. Remember me did say it to you know. Remember me did tell you say you for buy up beer food and stay now in the house until 2021 you know. Me don't know how now go work it out, but the area move away. Dancehall artist Intence crashing big Benz moments ago. I don't know where this take place as yet. I don't know where him crash, but him car mash up. The whole of the side dent up. Read this. So as you can see, that door they mash up, that door they dent up, but the car is still a move, it's still a drive. So as you can see, it's not no great damage. It's just the two door they mash up, and I don't know if nowhere else lick up too. I don't know if nowhere else pan the car damage, but the wheel them a move, it a turn, it a drive, so it look like it can fix. It no look like no great damage like the car turn over or the engine mash up or none of them stuff. I say it look like it can fix, but I see like blood upon the car. Say it look like the car crash kinda deadly because blood upon the car. It might not deadly because Intence not dead. Yeah, let's X that out because we know people love spread rumor. Let's X that out. The man not dead. He's injured. He's in the hospital right now at the moment. Hope him good. Hope him not get damaged badly. But from me see the blood upon the car, I know say some type of damage go on. But him have life and that are the greatest thing, right? This photo is circulating on social media with him in the hospital, pan a hospital bed, pan a stretcher or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, it look like him under pain. Me not too know much about that under him neck, but from them put that under him neck, some type of damage must go on there so, right? Them put that right there so for a reason. And him a hold him head, so it look like him under pain and it kinda bad. Him kinda damaged badly. So no hope and pray for him same way. And me say this one day yeah, the dancehall artists them for use them little toe and press gas because them a go hard. Coffee crash about a week ago or so. I don't know how that happened still, but chronic turn over film car. Yo, the artists them for go easy. Them a drive too fast, dog. I don't know how Intence one go still, but him say him none breaks na him car. So from him say that, mean him always a go fast. I don't know how it happen still, so I don't know. I don't know if I him wrong or the next person wrong, who crashing or who do this or who do that. But anyway, Intence crashing Benz, the best thing is that him not dead, him still have life. But people wanna still hope and pray for him same way, said way. And yo, 2020 now ease up. And remember when me did tell you say it's like the month them I run some type of competition. Who better than who? And that the month them are going on with you now, brother. So right now, every month just I get worse and worse and worse. 2020, as me say in every other video, is a year to remember. 2020 is a history year. Everybody are gonna have something to say about 2020. All 20 years later, people still are gonna talk about 2020. But anyway, people, as me say, on hope and pray for Intence, hope he make it out, hope nothing, no damage badly with him, hope, just hope everything go good with him. Greatest thing, him have life. You know the thing, but don't chat.
Man.